Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I started off my day by watching some of my old wedding content and I was like 30 pounds lighter and I just put myself in such a bad mood. I know I just had a baby, but wow, I hurt my own feelings so bad. And so because of that, I made an impulsive decision to go get my hair done. Don't we love being a woman? Anyway, I am like really dark right now and my blonde is really golden. And like looking back at those videos when I was like planning my wedding and doing like my hair trials and stuff, it was so blonde. So I think I want to go like way brighter. I'm not necessarily gonna like bring it up. I feel like it's quite brought up. And I'm sure most of you know I usually try and do my hair myself, but in situations when I'm trying to do like my whole head, it's impossible for me to do myself because I can't see back here, especially with wanting to be brighter. It's going to be like a heavy amount of lightener and I just don't want to like risk messing up my hair. So I'd say probably once a year, once every 2 years, I go to a salon to get my hair done. And yeah, most of the time like touch-ups and stuff I just do myself. Or if I'm going to like do a gloss or just a demi-permanent, or if I'm doing darker or something, those things I feel very confident doing myself. Just something like this, I do not feel comfortable doing myself. So that's at 11, it's 10 o'clock. Hopefully I can like pep myself up. Just can't look in a mirror. God, I'm so sad. Anyone who's had a baby and like look back at their old selves, just die on the inside because that's where I'm at. I'm just dead. I'm just sad and dead. Yeah, hopefully you didn't come to this video for a pick-me-up because I need the pick-me-up here. Viv is sleeping right now and she's been sleeping on her stomach for, I don't know, probably like 3 or 4 weeks now. And sometimes it's so scary because she'll lay straight up on her face. And there have been a couple times where I've went in and like risked waking her up because I'm just so scared that she's gonna like die in the middle of the night, which is ridiculous, but it was worth it to me. I slept better on those nights. I also have an appointment at 2:45. It's 3.5 hours. There's no way my hair takes 3.5 hours. I hope, that would be crazy. I have a consultation at 2:45 to see about getting my wisdom teeth removed, which I've been needing to do since I was like 21 and I'm now 26. But I'm really scared. Mouth stuff freaks me out. But I'm to the point now where I'm like, okay, you're a big kid. You just had a baby. If you can have a freaking baby, you can get your teeth pulled out, even though I'm petrified. So yeah, that's what I'm doing after my hair appointment. She loves to splash right now. She's so cute. Viv, hi mama. Splish splash. Vivi. Viv, hi. Does anyone else's child just totally hate the part after the bath where they're really cold and getting dried off? Because she's so not a fan, like truly. On another note, we got the next level Love Every kit. This is the 5 to 6 month sensor. And there are 2 toys that she's absolutely obsessed with in that. This one, she literally just pulls these out all day long and then I just put them back in and she's obsessed with this thing. And then there's also a spinner that she absolutely loves too. It's so cool that they make one for every like segment of their first year. It just makes it really easy to know developmentally like what's really going to challenge their brain or like light up their little imagination. So it's so cool. I am so excited. Especially now that she is 6 months, she's just so much more of a person and it makes me so happy to watch her just explore the world. And it honestly makes things like everyday mundane things feel so much brighter in a way. Like I look forward to weird things just watching her get so much enjoyment out of them. Does that make sense? I feel like you get where I'm coming from, hopefully. Is Daddy changing your diaper? Huh? Hi. Hi. That's your toe. That's your toe. She loves to spin this one. Good job, baby. So much fun. Her true entertainment lies on the rug in front of the back door. Isn't that right? Yes, that's right. Yeah. Nose, nose, mouth, mouth. Can you say cheeks and ear? Arms and eyes, hair, teeth, legs, and tongue. Do you want to hold the book? Yeah, you're so big. Is that for you? Are those babies just like you? I think they are. I think they're babies just like you. Darling, I'd wait for you even if you didn't ask me to. Tie a lasso around the moon and bring it on down to you. I'd bottle the feeling you give me, shelve that stuff for years to come. 'Cause baby, when your arms are around me, I'd swear that I'm holding the sun. It is now 7:03 and Viv is down. That is awesome. A lot of this week she's been going down at like 7:30, just really fighting her sleep, so this is perfect. At night we feed her, we play, and then we give her a bath and we let her like splish and splash around in the bath, and then we do her diaper change, and we have a bunch of creams we put on her because she has really bad eczema. So we use Tubby Tot on her face, Aveeno eczema theory on her body, and then cortisone 10 right here because her eczema and like drool rash has combined to be just like a red mess, which is unfortunate. And then I make her a bottle, take her upstairs, feed her, just kind of rock her and rub her head, just relax her. And then I try to put her in the crib drowsy but awake. That way she kind of gets used to falling asleep on her own, and so far so good. If she cries, we usually wait like 2 minutes to see if she can figure it out before we go up, unless she's, you know, screaming, and then we'll go in right away. But this is kind of what's worked for us. And then when she goes down, we just kind of start cleaning up the house. As you can see, Jack is cleaning up our mess from dinner. We have some clothes. He just put all her toys away that were sprawled out on the floor. This is a whole other story. This is just a mess. But this is kind of like our wind down time, and we're watching a couple of things on Apple TV right now. We were watching Severed, but we just finished the season, and we're watching Hijack as well, which is really, really good. This is what we're starting after this episode. So we have a nice selection lined up. But yeah, life is good. Viv is getting better at sleep, which means I'm getting better at sleep. So we are just going to shower. I think I'm gonna shower and then Jack will shower. We don't do it at the same time, just that way if she wakes up and one of us can attend to her. And then we're just gonna watch some TV, relax before we head to bed. So thank you so much for Lovevery for gifting us the 5 to 6 month sensor box. I will leave everything you need to know down below if you would like to shop their collections, no matter how old your baby is. I believe they go up to 4 years old, anywhere from 0 months to 4 years old. And then I also do have a link down below if you would like to save some money. So thank you so much for watching my little day in the life, day in the night vlog, and I will catch you guys next week. Bye.